Hey guys, just a quick little walkthrough on how to replace the belt on the Denon DP-300F. I had to get a new stylus for mine because it was broken. One of my kids got their hands in there anyway. This is an upgrade kit that I got. So it was an upgraded stylus and replacement belt. I thought I might as well do the belt as well. I got mine from lpgear.com. I'll link it down in the description. I couldn't find too much in Australia, so I just got my stuff from online over in the US, and yeah, it wasn't too costly. Shipping's a bit of a pain, but anyway. So yeah, with the belt, just take your mat off. You're probably not seeing too much of this too clearly, sorry, but just trying to shoot this on an iPhone. Now you got to take this platter off here, and you just got to lift straight up in the air, like that. And your belt, you find your belt will just come off there because it's right around this section here. So here's the old one. I use this quite a lot, so that's been running for probably 5 years or so. So I don't know whether it needs replacing, but it come with the kit, so I'm going to do it anyway. Here's the new one, and here's your platter here. So you need to run this belt around the inside here. There's probably people watching this thinking I'm doing this wrong, but I don't know, I'm just working this out as I go. So anyway, so it runs around here. I'll just put this down, eh? Oh, it's definitely tighter. Whoa. Alright. Just gonna try and make sure she's kind of square on there. Man, it's heaps tighter than the old one. Not heaps, but you can feel it's got a bit more firmness. Alright, so I got that on. I just stopped recording there so I could get it all sort of even around the sides. I don't know where it's supposed to sit. It's supposed to sit central, sort of in the middle of this section here, but that's where I sort of put it. And I just whacked a little bit of string here under the belt, just so when we put it on, you can pull it out and flick it over the drive down here. So we'll give this a shot. Alright, so then you're probably not seeing this too well, guys, sorry. So you need to pull your belt over this drive pulley, like so. Get rid of this guy, and feels good. So this is the drive pulley that you need to get the belt around, guys. I know I just had a quick look at that video and you couldn't actually see what I was doing, sorry. So yeah, the belt will be around this section here of the, is that called the platter? I think it is. So yeah, that bit of string would be used to just pull this belt straight over this. You could try use your fingers, but because this new belt's kind of a lot tighter than the old one, getting my fingers under it was a bit tricky, so I just did what sort of what was done when you first bought this player, guys. Just had that bit of it had a bit of ribbon around it, I think. You just pulled it out. So yeah, same thing, and yeah, that's it. Okay, with the stylus, definitely make sure the unit's turned off. So I read in the book that it's probably best to remove the head shell first, so I'm going to do that. Here's my replacement. Yeah, that's it. So we'll just unscrew this guy. And finding the user manual for this unit is pretty simple, guys. Just Google it and there's a PDF of it. So in the book it says you need to pull down on an angle. So I've already tried this before, so I had a bit of a practice just before. Not sure what you're seeing here, but anyway. So it just pulls down on a slight angle. There he goes, and pops out. So putting it back in, we've got to do the same thing. Up on about a 45. This part here goes into the hole. And it snaps back in. Make sure this covers down too, so you don't stuff your other needle you just put on. And it clicks in. So that's why it's better doing it off the actual unit itself, because you might screw things up. So it just pops down. There we go. Now for the new one. Let's hope I don't screw this up, eh? So that's it. Okay, put that back up in there. 45. Sweet. So that's in. And we'll whack it back on. And she's good to go. Just flick your little protector off. I guess you should probably check everything's aligned right, like in the what the user manual says, but mine's been all good before I took this off, so I don't know, someone will probably tell me that I should recheck it again, I don't know. I'll see how it sounds and let you know. Okay guys, all done. First impressions, yeah, sounds really good. I can definitely notice a difference over the original one. Like I said, mine was totally bent off from one of my kids doing what they shouldn't have done. So yeah, and it wasn't an expensive upgrade at all, guys. So yeah, give it a shot if you've got one of these players. There's a million options on that website. Yeah, no, they didn't give this to me for a discount for mentioning them. So that was the best I could find in Australia. Took 2 to 3 weeks to get to me, but worth the wait. And yeah, I did the belt as well. There's the old belt. It's definitely stretched over time. I've had this for about 5 years, I think I said before. Anyway, yeah, give it a shot. I had a bit of a play, sounds good. I was gonna play a few seconds for you guys for no reason at all, but I was just gonna do it, but YouTube would probably flag copyright, so I don't bother. So yeah, there you go, that's it. Give it a shot. I'll put any links and whatever in the description. If you liked this video, just give it a thumbs up, and yeah, thanks man.